1934 when my husband left me. Alone. Living on the prairie was a dreary existence. No telephone, no radio. Only a large, majestic bird with whom I shared my feelings. One day when I was feeling low, I said to him, "Oh, bird, you can fly. You can soar miles from this lonely place, yet you stay. Why?" And apparently, my question rang true. But that afternoon, the bird left. So went my spirit.